Today I'm going to paint these interior trim bits, and if you don't know how to remove them, I've got a video and you can watch that, and I'll show you how to remove it all. We've got to paint them. So first we gotta get some sandpaper and we gotta sand it to scuff it up. Let's go! Hi friends, once you've scuffed it, it'll be all dusty, so blow on it, or use compressed air. Maybe get some acetone and wipe it. Yeah, baby. Gotta prime these things. Primer. This is my gas can.
Here's my gas can.
It's back! I told you! It's returned.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Wear a mask if you're at home, don't copy this.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Jamlison here fam, you will check out my Instagram at Life of Tunas, or you are literal dog water. Also please like and subscribe, or I will eat your booty cheeks.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I did two coats of primer, maybe 3 would be better, but now we gotta sand it back just a little bit with 400 grit sandpaper. Let's go. Blow all the dust off afterwards. Hi. Well, I guess we'll talk about this. These are very hard to paint. So last time I did this side first, I flipped and did this side. It got really bad. I'm gonna do this side first because you're not gonna see that, and then I'll flip it and do this side because I'd rather this side be as bad than this side because you'll see that. Yeah. Switch thing for the lights have these things in it, but they're getting hard to press, so I took the button bit out and I'll paint them separately, then sand the sides back so it works good afterwards. I've got three different batch things. This is...
Oh no! It's broken!
I hate this. Alright, well, you're not filming that. I'm pissed now. So angry. Don't blow it over. Thin coats are best for not to paint yourself, but now it's getting really thick. Maybe I'll only do one cut on this if it doesn't fall.
Amogus.
Okay guys, we're back, but I can't do this. I have to vent for a moment. My mom's been driving this recently. This seat is bolt upright. How does one drive like this? This is... How? Why am I sitting up so... Should get back to the weird acting. I've put them all in, so if you want to you know, see how to do that, watch my next video on installing starlights. Check it out. we have got this. Let's open this. It's yeah, there's a bit of that, but it's all good. You don't really see that. Handles are sick. Yeah, bit of hand paint in there. I can't move how the seat is. It's incredible. Why is it like this? Come on. Well, I'm literally sorry, guys, but this is as far as way I can get. The camera is right by my face because of how the seat is. It's incredible. Anyways, right. Yeah, there's a bit of flame. It's alright. It's alright. I don't want to get done. But yeah, this is good on both sides. This little black cat here is good. You can't even see it because this seat. Oh my days. Here's one good thing. Look how much legroom I've got because, you know, it's sitting like an idiot. You can park a bus in that gap now. This handle's the worst. Bit of chipping there. It's alright. You know, if it's all chipping like that, it's probably because I didn't sand it back enough. Anyway, that looks bussin', you know. These bussin', oh, that's kind of chipping a bit there. But yeah, if you did enjoy, surely hit the like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.